Today we're going to fix my girlfriend's computer. Recently, when playing Battlefield, she has had some crashes, and I believe it has to do with the RAM. So without further ado, let's start disassembling this computer. First, let's remove the front panel and we'll have a look on what's inside. We built this computer last fall, leading up to the launch of Battlefield 6. We played a lot of Battlefield 2042, and she played a lot on my computer, and we decided that, hey, maybe she should get her own computer. So I upgraded my GPU this fall, and therefore I had a GPU lying around. So this is my old GPU, a NVIDIA RTX 3070. And we also got some components dirt cheap from a colleague of mine, including RAM. We've had some issues with the RAM. It has crashed regularly. We figured out that if we ran the RAM in XMP profile, it crashed a lot. It had some memory faults. So we just ran it at the basic JEDEC profile and everything went fine, up until recently with the launch of Battlefield 6 Season 3. So that's what we're going to fix today, because I have some old RAM lying around from my old computer before I upgraded. I had no issues with this RAM, so I believe this will be okay. But now I kind of regret that I went with this Thermalright Peerless Assassin cooler, because it's so big that it overhangs the RAM. I don't think... well, maybe. Actually, I don't think I have to remove the CPU cooler. I might only have to remove the fan, so that will be nice. Hang on. Okay, so before I put my hands down in this computer, I will actually do things right and put on a electrostatic wristband and connect this to ground. I got a connector here, right here, so I can just ground myself. It's connected to the wall. Now, I think I might get away with only removing the fan, which is usually quite hard because these brackets are super stiff. I think I might have to remove the GPU to be able to reach. There we go. Let's see if I can... there we go. Slot 2 and 4 away from the CPU to get that full dual channel speed. And you should hear the click. And then there's the other one. Okay, that should technically be it. I will attempt to mount this fan again. And it's easier if I just hook it on this side first. I think that's it. Maybe it should be a tad higher on this side. Hang on. Okay, so it's a bit higher up than the front one, but I think that's okay because we then got some spacing above the RAM. I think it's good. All right, let's insert the graphics card again, and I will fire up a mem test and we'll see whether this solves the issue. Same with the RAM, listen for the click. And I will secure it with these screws. I'm happy that we didn't have to remove the CPU cooler, because I was prepared for that. Connect the power cables for the GPU, and we are good to go. All right, I will do what you should never do. I will attach the front panel, because it will now be running a mem test for quite a while, and I don't want all of that dust to collect. I mean, while we were inside the computer, we probably should have dusted it, but I will do that the next time. I think we are done. I will now hook the computer up to the monitors, and I have already prepared a USB stick with Memtest 86, and we'll see. Ooh. Oh, maybe I forgot to press the power button. Hang on. It was off. And I will now spam the delete key to get into the BIOS, or UEFI. It might take some time now that we have swapped out the RAM, because the motherboard has to catch up that we have changed the hardware. Oh, something is happening.
A few moments later.
Okay, now I'm getting a bit worried. You know, lizard.
Lizard.
Okay, so it says that it is normal. It typically takes 1 to 5 minutes to post the power on self-test for the first time after a RAM swap. This delay is normal and happens because your motherboard's BIOS is performing memory training. I don't think it has restarted once yet, so I will leave it for a couple of minutes, and if it doesn't do anything, we will force it to shut down. Okay, so inside the computer there is a easy debug light. It was lit on the boot text, meaning that there was probably something wrong with the boot sequence. So I just forced it to shut down, and I will now attempt to enter the BIOS without the USB stick connected, and we'll see whether it boots successfully. Yes, it posts at least, and then I can spam the delete key, and we're in. So if I now just check the overclocking settings, we'll see that we are in at 3200 megahertz, which is exactly what we want, which is the fastest speed this memory can handle. And I will insert the USB stick with memtest86 on it. It says that it will prioritize USB hard drive first. So if I just exit now without doing any changes, it should, in theory, boot straight into memtest86, and we'll let that be running for probably around 2 hours. Yeah, that's not Windows, that's memtest86. Alright, memory test will automatically start in 7 seconds, so that's good. Yeah, so we'll just let this run for approximately 2 hours, maybe a bit over, and we'll see if it passes.
2 hours later.
Alright, 2 hours and 23 minutes later, it passed the memory test, so that's a good sign. Are you ready to try it for a match? Thumbs up. Alright, let's try it. Let's try the new map, Railway to Golmud, Attack and Defend, and see whether my girlfriend's computer crashes now. Do you still want to play Recon, or should we go more up in front?
We're defenders, are we not? Yeah, up front, I guess.
Up in front, okay, I'll do Assault then. Or maybe I should have done Support.
I did support.
Actually, I didn't manage to pick one in time, so I'm Sniper.
Just do Y. Let it load out.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Hang on. No, it's too late now because I moved.
Ah,
Alright, I'll do Sniper first.
okay.
And once I respawn, I'll do either Support or Assault. Engineer might be useful as well if they have vehicles. I'm not sure though. This is a larger map, so they probably have vehicles. Oh, shit. I'm down.
Already?
I'm safe though.
Where are you?
I'm on the second floor, lying behind some ventilation. I'm safe. Oh, I'm getting rest.
Okay, yeah.
No worries. Headshot. Okay, they do have a tank now. Okay, so I'm going to try to be James Bond. Oh, never mind. I was gonna try to sneak up on the tank and play some C4s, but there was a lot of people inside the building at A. Okay, I'll respawn as engineer, and I'll see if I can do anything about that tank.
Sorry.
Watch your profanity.
No. You can bleep me. Ooh, I'm getting rest. Oh, wow. Sorry.
I'll bleep you.
Are you still recon?
No, I'm not. I'm engineer.
Okay. I think I'm just gonna do a bit of recon.
Yeah, I think so too. I'll spawn at HQ and I'll try to do some damage from afar.
Our troops have secured Alpha.
Ah, I got one of them. There were two. I only have 2 kills. But I haven't played for a while. Oh, we won. Nice! And you got through a game without crashing.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was a great success, the first match at least. Let's hope it stays like this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.